first and foremost thing when you're building, do not try to think about the whole product or try to think about over a period of what are the things users will do. Always actually break down into small pieces. Maybe it is functions or it is features, and define something called MVP, minimum viable product. And when you actually build a minimum viable product, it should not be the depthness of each features we are talking about. It should be covering the horizon of all the aspect of the product. It means it should have the usability aspect of it. It should have the conceptualization aspect of it, and it should actually address the key problem. User usually have like more than 5 problems. You just need to address only 1 or 2 problems in the initial stage. So that's how you can actually prioritize. When it comes down to the good product managers, do not put a timeline to their roadmaps. They always put a trigger to their roadmaps, which means, so first 100 customers, your priority is to develop this feature. Then first 500 customers, once you reach the first 100 customers, that is where you jump on what the initial 500 customers should look like. So that's where you enable more reporting aspect of it or the dashboard aspect of it. And then like when you re-look at the user base and try to learn from their behavior, and again, talk about what is a 10,000 users should look like. So always you have to build the features or prioritize by learning from the users. Most of the time, we really do not invest too much in terms of user studies after the implementation, but it is always good to go back, look at the analytics. If your application is freely available, also leverage Google Analytics or some analytics tools. Try to understand how users are using it, because as a product manager, you must have drafted kind of the process flows. Say like the user comes to say like e-commerce. So we usually tend to see like in 3 clicks, purchase has to be done. But you always have to look at the analytics and try to see, does it really require 3 click? What about the features, or what about the products which are already kept in the cart? How to handle them? Always try to relook at every aspect of it, and then you can actually build a feature around it. So the more user studies are required, not only during the research aspect of it, but it is the consistent process. And so you have to look at the behavioral aspect of the users, and that will actually make sense.